Good day, everyone. Thank you for joining this session on the Digital Leap Preparing Water Utilities for an AI powered future. My name is Adrian Villañosa, and today I will present key research insights into bridging the persistent gap between AI's remarkable technical potential and its strategic implementation within water utilities. This presentation draws on the first three chapters of our latest study conducted this 2025, aiming to equip water sector leaders with actionable knowledge for digital transformation. Water utilities currently stand at a critical juncture, facing converging challenges that threaten system reliability and sustainability. These include aging infrastructure that is increasingly prone to failure, climate unpredictability manifesting as extreme weather variability, and persistent resource scarcity impacting water and energy availability. Given that water utilities are essential for public health, hygiene, and economic stability, the urgency for transformative solutions that enhance resilience and efficiency cannot be overstated. AI technologies have progressed significantly, offering concrete technical solutions to key water management challenges. Predictive asset management models achieve over 80% accuracy in anticipating pipe failures, helping distinguish between failure modes such as corrosion versus external stress. Explainable AI optimizes pump scheduling, delivering energy reductions of up to 20%, while maintaining operator trust through transparent decision making. Deep neural networks enable leak detection with over 90% accuracy by analyzing acoustic data, surpassing human capacity in managing non revenue water. Finally, AI-enhanced multispectral sensors facilitate real-time water classification, enabling rapid anomaly detection and intervention. Despite these impressive technical achievements, a systemic implementation gap persists. The primary obstacle is organizational rather than algorithmic. While AI models function well, utilities struggle with adapting these solutions beyond custom, site specific pilots to system wide scalable deployment. Barriers such as lack of hybrid expertise, an integration of engineering and AI skills, and organizational resistance to change overwhelmingly impedes progress. Moreover, utilities face the ambidexterity dilemma wherein short-term operational stability is prioritized at the expense of long-term strategic innovation critical for successful AI adaptation. This slide illustrates the central organizational challenge balancing exploitation, which focus on proven low-risk operational methods, versus exploration, which requires investment in complex, innovative technologies like AI. Exploitation enables immediate reliability and minimizes operational risks, but tends to restrict strategic innovation. On the other hand, exploration builds digital capabilities and competitive advantage, but poses greater uncertainty. Water utilities predominantly favor exploitation, explaining the slow uptake of AI despite evident benefits. One crucial barrier is the widespread lack of hybrid skills, combining domain engineering knowledge with AI fundamentals. This limits utilities' capacity to design, manage, and ethically deploy AI systems. Organizational silos between IT and operations exacerbate knowledge fragmentation, while traditional training programs fail to address the interdisciplinary competencies required. Consequently, most AI efforts remain isolated pilots without generalizability or transferability across sites, reinforcing risk averse attitudes. AI projects in water utilities today are largely bespoke, tailored to specific sites with limited scalability. Data quality remains a persistent challenge due to inconsistent standards and siloed storage systems, hindering AI development. Furthermore, managerial focus on short term cost containment often constrains investments in transformative AI solutions, perpetuating underutilization of AI's full potential. My research addresses these interconnected challenges through three complementary objectives. First, we assess utilities' digital maturity to identify capability gaps and priority areas. Second, we systematically map organizational barriers, particularly the ambidexterity dilemma and skills gap, to quantify their impacts on AI adaptation. Third, we develop an ethical, actionable digital transformation framework, empowering utilities to strategically integrate AI, prioritize investments, and foster resilience. The digital maturity assessment evaluates utilities across three dimensions. Technical competencies assess AI and infrastructure readiness. Data governance evaluation focuses on data quality, standardization, and integration capacity. Finally, strategic alignment gauges leadership vision and organizational readiness for change. These framework categorizes utilities from reactive and project focused to AI native innovators, providing a baseline for targeted interventions. To understand the root causes of the implementation gap, we quantify organizational barriers via survey based cultural assessment. We measure the ambidexterity dilemma by examining management emphasis on short term versus strategic initiatives, and the skills gap by assessing internal AI expertise and reliance on external vendors. Using a standardized impact scale, we rank challenges by their criticality to inform prioritization. Building on maturity and barrier analysis, our framework integrates four pillars: assessment, barrier identification, hybrid expertise development, and investment prioritization. It advances an ethical approach to governance and proposes an iterative roadmap: assess, design, implement, and adopt to operationalize AI adoption sustainably. The framework provides utility leaders with a structured methodology to overcome systemic hurdles and align digital investments with long term resilience goals. For utility managers, the framework facilitates a decisive shift from reactive maintenance to proactive management. Explainable AI driven pump scheduling has demonstrated up to 20% energy savings, directly improving financial performance. The framework enables objective prioritization of AI investments, reducing risks linked to misallocated resources. Furthermore, democratizing analytics through generative AI with natural language interfaces empowers utilities of all sizes, simplifying access to advanced hydraulic modeling. Finally, the decision support tools emerging from this approach can inform balanced policies that optimize spending and consumer cost. Technical staff benefit from generative AI interfaces that allow non expert engineers to perform complex data analysis using natural language commands, eliminating traditional programming barriers. This enhances time efficiency by reducing data processing workloads, enabling more focus on decision making. It also fosters skills development, facilitating cross-functional hybrid expertise without the need for extensive formal education. Such collaborative workflows improve communication and coordination between field operators and engineering teams, especially benefiting small utilities with limited expert staff. AI driven digital transformation aligns closely with key sustainable development goals. For SDG 6, clean water and sanitation, accurate leak detection and energy optimization directly address water scarcity and operational sustainability. Predictive asset management prolongs infrastructure lifespan, ensuring reliable service delivery. For SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, AI adoption catalyzes resilient, smart water systems, fosters innovation ecosystem through hybrid expertise development, and supports the research and development of sustainable technologies addressing AI's environmental footprint. This research focuses on the organizational and strategic dimensions of water utilities digital transformation. Specifically, we analyze persistent barriers such as the ambidexterity dilemma and skills gap and develop a digital transformation framework to help utilities assess maturity and prioritize AI investment systematically. The study's strategic intent is to measure impacts on operational efficiency, service quality, and financial sustainability, targeting utility managers and technical executives responsible for transformative decision making. Our approach primarily uses quantitative survey research with cross sectional analysis to establish correlations between organizational readiness and AI integration outcomes. However, we acknowledge several limitations: reliance on existing AI models rather than developing new algorithms, potential bias in self reported survey data, absence of direct field studies to validate cross-network AI transferability, and a deliberate focus on strategic over technical algorithmic refinement. I recommend a phased implementation roadmap beginning with comprehensive assessment of digital maturity and organizational barriers. Next, utilities should build foundational capabilities, including data governance, hybrid skills development, and AI ethics frameworks. The third phase focuses on integrating AI technologies, such as explainable AI for hydraulic modeling and generative AI workflows, through pilot projects that demonstrate measurable energy savings. Finally, utilities should scale successful pilots to full strategic adoption while embedding continuous improvement mechanisms. Leadership commitment, stakeholder collaboration, and prudent innovation stability balancing are critical success factors throughout. In conclusion, our related literature's findings validate that AI technologies can achieve tangible benefits at the 20% energy savings. But the dominant barriers are organizational. Utilities possessing hybrid expertise experience substantially higher AI adoption rates. Our recommended path forward involves a systemic assessment of digital readiness, deliberate efforts to dismantle organizational obstacles, strategic investment in hybrid skills, and scaling of proven AI solutions. We call on water utilities to develop digital frameworks, foster research partnerships and education, and embed ethical governance. The future of water resilience lies at the confluence of courageous organizational change and technological innovation. That ends my presentation. Thank you.